Anyway, here's Micah. She's flying this little Scout in 20-mile-an-hour winds, gust to 25 mile an hour. Dan, where's your courage? Why don't you come out?
Dan, Kenny, Doug, Don,
Yeah.
Andy, name a few.
All those brave fellas.
That's right. All those men.
Yeah. Let this inexperienced female come out here and show you guys up.
It'll be featured this coming Wednesday evening, trainer night.
Yeah, right. Well, I've always thought, honestly, that men just don't have a clue about life. Women have to be here to teach us what's important, you know? Honestly. Got to calm down our fears and advise us to quit doing certain things that are dangerous for us.
Then do things that are dangerous that we're too afraid of.
Yeah, that's right. They bring out the adventure in men, don't they? Well, I tell you what, Mike is doing real well on this thing. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's a couple mistakes high. Now, Micah's flown the Night Radiant. I know that.
Yep, Night Radiant.
Flew that for a long time out here.
Like Carbon Z Cessna she's flown.
Oh yeah? Yeah, that great big one.
I'm trying to think, what else have you flown, Micah? A couple little micro planes. The what? Yeah, she flew my Carbon Z Cub the other day.
Well, I'll tell you what, this is the most difficult circumstances, conditions, plus that's not an easy airplane to fly under these circumstances. Look at that. Look at that wind blowing that thing around. There, she's got it. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. Blue skies coming out now. Now, if the wind had died down to 2 miles an hour, it'd be beautiful, wouldn't it? That's got aileron and rudder.
Yeah.
Pretty nice little airplane. Is that one you got on the bargain?
No, I bought that one brand new.
Oh.
I got that one for after Christmas, I think. And
Oh, did Micah buy it for you?
You got it for me.
Oh.
I
Oh,
got it for
okay.
Micah. It's going to be a trainer plane, but she kind of just sidestepped that one and went right to the big Cessna 50.
Yeah.
So this one's just kind of been sitting around.
Tell you what,
It just flies like a kite on a windy day like today.
she's doing really good with it. Yeah. Very nice. Mike is out here because you're out here today. Otherwise, I don't think she'd bother with airplane. That's just not a cup of tea for women. They don't care much for it.